Hey, gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and I'm doing an analytics video. Once upon a time, when I started this channel about a year and a half ago, I used to do these once a week when I started, and then I went once a month, and then now it's like every few months. It didn't make any sense to keep doing them. The reason I started to do them in the first place is just to gauge my progress as far as the channel is concerned, and also whomever wanted to start a YouTube channel at the time, kind of give them an idea of how the, at least in my case, how my analytics change and everything. Now, I'm not any YouTube superstar, not even close to it. I don't. There's people with thousands and thousands of subscribers. There's people with millions of subscribers. I just surpassed 100, so it's not like I'm the superstar of YouTube whatsoever. I do things I want to do on here. I try not to. I do want to monetize. I try not to worry about that. I'll get to it. It just, if I have advice for anybody as far as this is concerned, just keep building, making content you like, and especially this year. And I'll explain a little more as I go, but just take a look at. So this is just basically stuff I'll cruise through. This is obviously the website, and then I don't really update the website at all. I don't have time to do it. I'll go in there and write an article once about a time. So like my last article I wrote was April 1st. So it depends if I'm jazzed to do it. It's just there. The website's just there, basically. So I can, here's my website. I've got pricing information and stuff on here that I've added. I've added a lot of stuff on here, but I don't actively pursue that at this point, just because I got so much stuff other going on. So let's get at it. And that's the dashboard. This just gives you a ranking of how fast your site loads and everything. Actually, I wanted to do analytics before So this is Google Analytics. Again, nothing really to write home about at all. I barely get any visitors at all. So I'll get like 2 or 3 a day. I'm not concentrating on the My Media Helper website. So the thing I have been concentrating on the most is the YouTube, obviously. So I got to get into analytics here. And so just took a look at the last 7 days. It's really been going up. I want to show you. Again, it's not a lot of hits and everything, but it's a lot more than it used to be, and I'll show you how that's changed from a year ago. So this is 28 days out. I can kind of go down and see that I can tell a lot of my videos get more hits than they ever have gotten before. So that's going to compound, right? Okay, so it's 100. This year, next year at this time, I expect like 300, depending on the video, right? So that seems to be how it's been trending. I'm just going to go out 90 days on that. Well, I'll go out full. So there's 101 subscribers, and so to give you an idea of, I'd really like to go all the way to just this year. Here we go. There we go. So 45 subscribers. Again, that doesn't seem like a lot, but it's compounded since last year, so it's a lot for me. And we'll just go into this. This is how many impressions. I'd like to go back for 7 days, actually. So there's 7.2K impressions, so 7.2 thousand, right? So impression click rate is 4.3%. I'm not really sure if that's good or not, based on your normal channel. And then views in that time. So 544 views in 7 days. So that's pretty good. So if we go out just for 2022, so I've had 117,000 impressions, 2.8 average click-through rates. So it's gotten better in the last 7 days based on your average, and then 5,000.4K views in this year. So let's look at, this is really what I want to show anyone that's interested in doing a YouTube channel, really. This is really what I want to get at, to the fact that let's do a compare, and I want to compare year to year. All right, we're going to compare, we're going to put this to 2021, and I'm glad, I like how they do this. All right, this is 2021. Let me shrink my dopey head here. And then over here is going to be 2022. So as you can see, so the purple is going to be this year, right? And the blue is going to be last year. So as you can see, it's progress. It's going ahead to what it was, which makes me happy. And then I want to see that compound right next year, and then the year after that, and the year after that. It just takes time to build up. You're not going to jump on this thing and become a superstar and make millions and millions of dollars or whatever, make an income out of it. It happens. There's a lot of people out there. There's people that I watch, all my nerdy shows that I watch, my movie review shows that I watch, comic book movie guy, he makes a living doing this. So it can happen, and that's kind of my goal, as long as being creative. But that's the future, you know. I'm building towards that. So that's basically that. And just give you a kind of an idea is monetization as I'm going to compare it in another 6 months, because my 2nd year anniversary of the channel will be October 1st. So, right, I got a long way to go. I need 1,000 subscribers, right, to start monetizing, and I need 4,000 public watch hours in a year in order to start monetizing. So I'm thinking maybe in another couple of years, that could be a possibility. We'll see how it goes. Now, a lot of this other stuff, this is just Creator Studio, so you can kind of see what's going on in the YouTube world, which I really haven't been focusing on YouTube too much. Where the heck is their... there's their insights right there. So if we go out this quarter, yeah, that's all I'd really want to go see. And sometimes, like 41 minutes viewed, blah, blah, blah. I don't really focus on Facebook like I did once upon a time, because the videos I'm doing now are so much more complex. They take so much more time. I spend hours on one particular video when once upon a time I wouldn't necessarily do that. So that's the reason I don't really focus on this other stuff like I used to. I'd really like to catch up with Instagram. Again, it's hard to keep up. And then, so if you ever wanted to see what Instagram, if you wanted to look at analytics for Instagram, and you only can look at them online, and you have to have a business account in order to do that. So as long as you do, just click on that and go here, and there should be insights right here. And again, there's not going to be a big deal there. That's just like in 2 weeks. Can we change? Okay, here we go. I just want to see if we can change. Just last 90 days is fine. And then updates, kind of look at it. Nothing to write home about. Just nothing really too exciting. Get out of that. Yes, close. The only reason I can look at this online is because there's a program called BlueStacks. So if you got BlueStacks, it's just it's a phone emulator, and so you can use that to play your phone online if you want to do that. All right, let's get out of this. I'll close this out. This is Creator Studio. This is for the Instagram cracker. So really nothing to write home about. And I just wanted to kind of breeze through these, actually. So nothing there. Twitter, once upon a time, I used to get a lot of Twitter hits. I just haven't had time to focus on it. So if you're interested in knowing where your analytics for your Twitter is, let me show you that. You have to go back. Got to go back to the future, Marty. I'm here. Twitter.com. So if you're not aware, you just go into more and hit analytics, and then 6 followers, big whoop-de-doo. Tweet impressions, that's the past 28 days. And let me raise myself up again. And then there's some other analytics over here, but top tweets. I haven't really been tweeting or anything recently. Vimeo, I've given up on. Vimeo is not a platform for tutorials or any of that. It's really more of like a creative outlet for people that want to make short films and series, stuff like that. It's like a Cadillac of video providers, as I always say. Yeah, this Daily Motion, I don't even bother going there anymore. LinkedIn, I don't know what the hell happened to LinkedIn. I posted a bunch of shit that's right here under my Media Helper account, and now it's under me. So now if I go to my Media Helper account, where the hell is it? Well, shit. They want to... I don't have any posts under there, which kind of pissed me off, but that's all right. So I'd have to start all over again, but LinkedIn is not what I'm about. And that's that, and that's that. So that's about it. I just wanted to do a quick overview, quick analytics look for the past 6 months, and I'm happy how everything's improved. These views are up a heck of a lot than they used to be. I've been doing a lot more kind of creative outlet stuff, like movie reviews and stuff like that. But at the same time, I'm still doing tutorials, SharePoint tutorials, and hardware tutorials and stuff like that, old podcasts and stuff like that. Okay, gals and guys, I'm not sure who the hell watches this. The reason I do it, again, is just for my own benefit to look back and see how I've done over the years, and then to show anyone that would be interested to see what it takes to build a YouTube channel. If you're not necessarily, I'm not out here, I'm not advertising, I'm not out there looking for subscribers. I'm not actively doing that. I'm actively just creating things because that's not my thing. But yeah, if you put maybe more effort into that than I do, you'd probably do better than I did here. But just keep, if you happen to be out there, you happen to be listening, just it's consistency. It's just keep going ahead, keep moving ahead. And that's all I got to say, gals and guys. I think that's all I got to say, gals and guys. I'm trying to think. Yeah, that's it. I appreciate you as always. I appreciate anyone that subscribes and watches. Please subscribe if you could, if you happen to be watching this and like this video. I don't expect anyone to like this video or really watch it. Hit the bell for updates. And yeah, I appreciate you as always. And I will talk to you later.